GRRP brought the issue before Judge Stephen Umpinko, asking him to reconsider their waste-to-energy project. The group is seeking a rehearing despite two previous Guam Supreme Court decisions blocking the plan. While the High Court said the contract that GRRP had with GovGuam was unenforceable due to an illegal provision, the matter was remanded to the lower court for further proceedings. GRRP's Dave Sablan says they do not disagree that the liquidated damages provision in the contract needs some adjustment.
We believe strongly it just means, go back to the lower court and clean up this illegal provision, get the government of Guam to also show their intent, whether they agree with you, GRRP, that this clause can be severed based on the severability clause in the contract. And if that is the case, then the contract is valid and enforceable, minus that illegal provision.
GRRP argued they have new information regarding the project they would like to put before the court, and the judge agreed to give them another chance.
And all that is saying really is get the government before the judge, GRRP come in, because you are the two parties to the contract, and clear up this issue. And if this can be severed and you both agree, then the rest of the contract is still okay.
The hearing follows a lawsuit filed by Senator Ben Pangilinan as a private citizen in 2000 regarding procurement regulations, and that the requests for land from the legislature were never followed. Today in court, Pangilinan's attorney Mike Phillips argued that the matter was already dealt with in the High Court. However, the judge ordered GovGuam and GRRP to file their briefs and all related documents to the court within 60 days. Despite that, Sablan says the license agreement GRRP has in place will not halt their efforts to build an incinerator.
So I think it would behoove the government, and this is really very crucial, to accept the severability of the liquidated damages provision to keep the rest of the contract enforceable and valid. Otherwise, they're going to lose that revenue stream, because this license agreement, the master agreement, is still valid, and it has been already proven in court, which means that we can still move forward with the waste-to-energy plant, build it, sell the electricity ourselves, make our money that way too.
Phillips was also given 2 weeks to respond when all documents are filed, and that will then determine whether or not Judge Umpinko will have a trial on the matter. Nick Delgado, PNC News.